Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to make your slides pop with cool animations in Canva? Click the Create button to start. Select Presentation from the available options. Once you're in the Presentation tool, look to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find many templates to choose from. You can also use the search bar to find a template. To create a presentation about food, start by selecting a template. Browse the available options and choose one that fits your topic. This will provide a visually appealing starting point for your content. Select this option, then click Apply to All. This will apply your selection across all 11 pages in the document. With your pages added, you can insert a transition. Click the space between two pages to open the transition options. Select the transition style you want, then choose the direction and color for the effect. Adjust the settings as desired for a custom look. To quickly apply the same transition to all pages, use the Apply to All Pages option. This saves time and ensures a consistent appearance for your project. Repeat as needed for different sections or transitions throughout your document to achieve the desired result. You don't need to worry about creating separate transitions for each of these 11 pages. After setting the main transition, you can enhance your presentation further by adding animations to the text. There are many animation options available, so you can select the ones you prefer for each text element. However, keep in mind this process might be time-consuming if you choose to add animations individually. Remember, you can combine both transitions and animations to create a more engaging and dynamic presentation. Select an element, like this one. You can use it as is, or apply it to another spot on your slide. You can also add an additional animation to make your presentation more dynamic. Continue building your slides by repeating these steps, combining elements and animations to create engaging content that fits your needs for the overall presentation flow. Click the screen button in your meeting controls. Then, choose the full screen option from the menu. This will expand your view and make the content fill your entire display for easier viewing. You can add different transitions to your project, but keep in mind that adding many transitions may take extra time. If you want, you can also change the direction of the specific transition effect. This works in the same way as applying transitions one by one to each slide or element in your project. You can add other elements by exploring the Recommended for You section. These images are selected to match your slide's theme, making it quick to find the right visuals. Scroll through the recommended images and choose one that fits your content. For example, select this sample image from the suggestions. Click on the image to add it directly to your slide. You can further customize it by resizing or repositioning as needed. Using recommended images saves time and helps maintain a cohesive design across your slides. You don't need to worry about having too many elements. Once you've finished arranging your content, simply paste it using the Postables feature. Review your work to make sure everything looks right. After you're satisfied with the setup, click the Share button to publish or distribute your project to others as needed. To share your document, select the PDF standard option. You can also download your file as a PowerPoint document by choosing the PowerPoint format. Alternatively, export your project as an MP4 video if you need a video version for sharing or presentation purposes. Now you know how to add cool animations to your Canva presentations. Give it a try! Like and subscribe for more creative tips.